So guys, here you see it, one more LeetCode camp video has been came on the channel, and today's video we are solving a 441 question by the name of arranging a coin. So yeah, so please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss over these type of videos on the channel. So let's move to a computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start to solve a 441 question by the name of arranging a coins. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question. So now let's start and let's solve it. So first of all, we copy this all the question. So we will be drag and drop this question into our Word file. So let me drag and drop it. So here you can see it. The diagram and all the things will be come here. So let's read the question. Now you have n coins and you want to build a staircase with these coins. So I have a one n coins and we want to build a one staircase with these coins. The staircase consists of k rows where the ith row has exactly I coins and the last row of the staircase may be incomplete. Please highlight it a maybe word. Given the integer n and our task says we return the number of complete rows of the staircase you will build. So this is our task. So first let's move to our example one and let's read our example one. So this one diagram one which it is one diagram in which there is a in 5 boxes there is a one dollar, okay, dollar icon, okay, and in the last box there is not anything, this is empty. So if you see the example here, he created an integer by the name of n in which he write 5 and the output will be coming 3 2 sorry. Why? Because the third row is incomplete, that's why we return 2. Okay, so I hope you understand. So in our example, in our case 1, our output will become 2. So let's move over case 2. So here there is one case 2 in which the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in the 8 boxes there is a dollar icon, and in the last 2 boxes there is these are empty. So here he created one integer by the name of n in which he write 8, and the output will be coming 3 because the fourth row is incomplete. That's why we return 3. So I hope you understand this also. So in our case 1, our output will become 2, and our case 1 our output will become 2, and our case 3 2 our output will become 3. Okay, and if I show you this box, so in the first box there is a dollar sign. Okay, here you can see it. There is a dollar sign. There is also a dollar sign. There is also be a dollar sign. There is also be a dollar sign. If you see here, there is also be a dollar sign. Here there is also be a dollar sign. There is also be a dollar sign, and there is also be dollar sign. But in the last 2 boxes there is not any dollar sign. If you see that, so nothing in it. Here you can see it. There is not any dollar sign if you see this. And that's why here these are the 8. If I count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so these are the total 8 boxes in which there is a icon of a dollar. Okay, so that's why here I write in the end integer I write 8, and the output will be coming 3 because like I have told you, because the fourth row is incomplete. If you see the last row, this is incomplete, that's why we return 3. Okay, so if you come over case 1, so in the case 1 here I write let me copy this and let me paste it. So here if you see, so in the there is a dollar sign, there is also be a dollar sign, there is also be a dollar sign, there is also be dollar sign, and there is also. So in the 5 boxes there is a dollar sign. Okay, if you see, there is in the 5 boxes there is a dollar sign, but in the last row there is not any dollar sign. If you see that, so why I write here in the end integer, why I write 5, because in the 5 boxes there is a dollar sign and the output will be coming 2. Okay, if you see, the output will be coming 2 because the third row is incomplete, means the last row is incomplete, that's why we return 2. Okay, so that's why we are returning 2. So I hope you understand our case 1 and case 2 very successfully. Yes, and I hope you understand the question also. If I read this question one more time, it is saying me, you have a n coins, we have a one n coins, and you want to build a one staircase with these coins, and the staircase consists of k rows, where the where the ith row has exactly I coins, and the last row of the staircase may be incomplete. Okay, given the one integer n, and we return the number of complete rows of the staircase you will build. Okay, this is our task. We return the number of complete rows of the staircase you will build. Okay, so now let's open over Google Chrome and let's start to solve this question. And in this question there is not many type of code, there is not many codes. Okay, in this question there is very small codes. There is a hint also, sorry, there is not any hint, and this topic is on about math and binary search. In this topic is on about math and binary search. Okay, in this, here you can see it. In this topic there is a little bit math and binary search. So now 5 lakh 1 million people have submitted this, and only 5 lakh people solving is accepted, and acceptance range is 47.2%. So means that it should be little bit hard. Okay, because only 47.2% acceptance rate is, so that's why I'm telling you this. I think so this is, that's why it is little bit hard. Okay, that's why. So but anyways, let's start to solve it. So let me open it, and now let's start to solve it. So first of all, let me begin. So I will be show you the code, all the code clearly. Okay, so I am starting from the start. So first of all, we create a one class, and we create a class by the name of solution. Okay, so please create a class of the solution. Do not create a class of anything like you are creating a class of a solving, not like that. Create a class of a solution. Use the def keyword in which you write arrange coin. Okay, that I'm writing arrange coins because the question is on about coins. Okay, so self comma n square semicolon int, then minus greater than int, then semicolon. Now we have written down the starting code. Okay, we written down the starting code. So let's begin to write our professional codes. Means we write our starting code. So but now we write our actually code. Okay, so first of all, we create a one variable by the name of x, in which I write int, then 2 rounded brackets, in which I write 2 multiply by n, then multiply by then rounded bracket 0.5. So when I wrote it down it, so I write while, then I am writing x, then square semicolon. Okay, while, then x, then semicolon. So while loop we use here. Okay, and now I use here if statement, in which I write x multiply by x plus 1 exponentiation sign, then 2, then less than equals to n, then semicolon, enter. Now here I am writing here return x. Now here I am writing x, means here I am printing my output, then enter, then backspace. Now when I do this, so I am writing x minus equals to 1. Perfect. Okay, so here I write x minus equals to 1, then here I use the if statement also. So this is all the code which we have written. So that's why I'm telling you this video is very smaller, but I think so this code is correct or not. So let's see, and let me write 1 here, and let me write 2. So now let's run this code. So when I run this code, so I hope it not give me any error if I run it. So it is giving me error in both cases, in the case 1 and case 2. So let's see. So let me remove 2. Here I am writing 5, and then here I am writing 2. So let's run it now. So I hope it not give me error now. Okay, here you can see it not give me any error, so it is accepted. So in our case 1, our output will become 2, and the expected output is also be 2. So in our case 2, our output will become 3, and the expected output is also be 3. So let's submit this code, and let's see the submission of this code. Our code is perfectly correct or not. So let's submit it. So when I submit this code, so the submission code is also be correct, and we come in the top of the section. Here you can see it. So here you can see in today's video we solved a 441 question by the name of arranging a coins. Okay, in today's video we are arrange the coins. So come out to my profile. My profile name is Rayyan, because go and view my profile. It is your own choice. If you want to view it, so view it. If you do not want to view it, so do not view it. So in today's video we solved this question. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all notification bell also. So I will have these type of videos on this channel. So anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.